So, Al, Michelle, and I are on the choo-choo, and they're running 2 trains today. Real quick, here's an update. Here's a look at the Bay Beast, disassembled for reasons unknown. They had to take the whole ride apart and are putting it back together eventually. And a look at the big wheel, which is almost done, except there's one cabin left on the side. Looks like Max Force will open before this thing, after all. Wow. That looks really cool though. I can't wait to ride that with you, but I'm gonna have to wait. It's not quite ready yet, and it's a much more beautiful day. Yeah, let's go swim with that. Is that a swan out there, or what is that thing?
I don't know.
It's white.
I don't have my glasses on.
It's a white thing. It looks like a pelican. Do you guys have pelicans out here?
We do, but we also have swans. It might be a swan.
I don't know.
Is there a kayaker out there?
I think so.
Or a nice beach thing.
I'm trying to zoom in on the bird, but I can't tell.
There's a swamp back here.
Yeah, you guys have had a lot of rain. Oh, I see an alligator. Oh wait, that's a different kind of amusement park. But yeah, I can't tell what bird out there is. I swear it looks like a pelican. It's got the neck and the beak. But it's a much more beautiful day out here than the other time we were here. So let's enjoy the rest of this ride.